There'll be ferry boat coming back in. Going to ferry me back off the island back to the mainland in a minute or two. When they've unloaded the next load of passengers. Oh, I want to go and sit on the throne of Doodah of Thrones, is it? I can't remember the name of it now. I'm sure you all know what I mean. Some of it was filmed here. There we go, they're all getting off now. Another 100 people. There's about 100 here waiting to get on, to get off the island again. And we're going to Dubrovnik. A couple of folk canoeing over there. Or canoodling as I call it. There you go, Mustang Dave. We'll catch you all later.